You can see I gained thousands of views on my Pinterest business profile without doing any work, just copy and paste work. More than 1 billion users visit Pinterest every month. Welcome back to another video, friends. In this video, I show you how to do affiliate marketing on Pinterest with re-uploading content strategy and earn at least $2,000 per month if you want to earn this, so please do not skip any single part of this video. You can also do all these steps from your smartphone, but before watching this video, please smash the subscribe button, like this video and hit the bell icon button for more money making videos on time. I am already taught you how to create a Digistore24 and Pinterest account in my previous videos, link in this description. Go and you also watch these videos after watching this video. But before promoting products on Pinterest, these are the top 7 niches on Pinterest that helps you to grow faster. These are travel niche, food niche, health and fitness niche, DIY crafts niche, fashion niche, beauty and personal care niche, parenting niche, and entrepreneurship. Majority of the users on Pinterest are females, so pick up females related niches when creating an account on Pinterest to boost your earnings. After creating an account on Pinterest, it's time to pick up an interesting video on Pinterest, re-upload it by adding your affiliate link on Pinterest to earn a commission. How to do this is simply go to the search section and search query related to your niche. My niche is related to finance, so I search affiliate marketing related videos and then press the enter key. Research and find the best video in your niche. For example, I open this video in a new tab, watch the full video to check if this video is interesting or not, then copy this video URL, go to google.com and search Pinterest download, click on this first website pinterestdownloader.com. Paste this video link here, click on this download button, and after a few seconds, you can download this video in HD quality with the help of this website. You can also find a lot of interesting videos by researching. For example, this time I searched to make money online. Now after picking up a video, find a high commission rate and high popularity affiliate product. Our niche is related to making money online, so select the category to internet marketing and e-business. If you wish to promote fashion and fitness products, then you select those niches, set sort by popularity. For example, I pick up this product, Tube Mastery and Monetization. If we promote this product, we earn a commission of $218 on per sale. Amazing. Click on Promote Now button, copy this affiliate link and save it in Notepad. Now it's time to create a link in bio page, add affiliate product to this page, and earn a commission. For this go linktree.ee. Linktree is a free landing page tool to create an account on this website. Click on the sign up for free button. Enter the username, make money online with us, enter your email ID, click on create account button, enter a strong password with a number to ensure your account is secure, click on the continue button. Enter your landing page name and select category, for example I select tech. Then click on this continue button, select a free plan and go to next step. The last step, verify your email address. For this go to your email, open Linktree email, click on the verify. After verifying an account, go to the appearance page, select your business logo, profile title and add a short bio, and select a beautiful theme for the landing page. Now add an affiliate product to this page, click on add a new link, copy the affiliate product link from Notepad, paste it here and click on this add button. Write a catchy title for this product, for example, join YouTube Mastery and Monetization 3.0 / become a millionaire, add at least 5 to 6 affiliate products on this page. Now click on this share button, open this page in a new tab. While your landing page is ready, when someone clicks on this product you will earn a commission. Copy this landing page link, go to Pinterest profile setting, paste this link here and click on save. You see landing page is attached to your profile. The final step, upload content on your profile. For this click on the create button, click create an idea pin, click on create new, drag or select the video or images content here, and wait for a few seconds. Add a call to action text, for example, link in bio, change font color, style, highlight this text and adjust the position. Click on add new text, write amazing title. It depends upon your marketing strategy. For example, I write become a millionaire. Now click on this next button. Write idea pin title with keyword stuffing. For example, I write title, affiliate marketing easy to make money online, make money craft. Select or create a new board. Board means category in Pinterest. add maximum tags, for example, affiliate marketing, money, finance, then click on publish this idea pin button, wait for few seconds. Finally, when someone watches your video, that person goes to your profile, click on this landing page link, buy this affiliate product from this page and you will earn a commission of $218 per sale. For example, if 5 people buy this product, you will earn $1,000. Super easy. Please smash the subscribe button, like this video, and hit the bell icon button for more money making videos on time.